Imagine a place where the mountains meet the sky, where nature, wild and untamed, greets you at your doorstep, where every season brings you a new adventure and crisp, clear nights where the stars guide your dreams. That place is Montana, the location of the HGTV Dream Home 2019. It is here at the edge of the rugged beauty of Glacier National Park that we are handcrafting a custom retreat truly worthy of its breathtaking views. The home is located steps away from the resort town of Whitefish, with restaurants, outdoor outfitters, and friendly faces everywhere you go. Here, you can choose activities year-round like hiking, skiing, fishing, and more. This is an escape from the ordinary into a life worth dreaming of. This is Alice and Victoria, and this amazing location is waiting for you. Welcome to the HGTV Dream Home 2019, where you can live the dream every day.